What's up guys, it's BT here, and I test a lot of headphones here. A lot of headphones come through my review table, and they all start to sound kind of similar. There's few standouts. Maybe they hear some like bumps in the bass or the mids or the highs, but for the most part they almost sound very similar. And then a headphone comes along and changes all of that. It just blows everything out of the water, not with the best audiophile quality, but with a characteristic that will set it apart from every other headphone on the market, which I love. And the headphones I'm talking about are the Crusher 360s from Skullcandy. These things blew me away from the moment that I put them on, guys. There's clarity, there's bass, but let me not get too much into the review right now. Let's start off with the comfort and design. Now, in the past, Skullcandy has been subject to a lot of criticism about their build quality, but guys, throw that out the window. For $300, they stepped up their game big time with these headphones. The hinges don't creak whatsoever. The leather is some of the best leather I've ever felt on any headphone, including the Bose QC35s. These things are super comfortable. The headband up top is just nicely padded. The headband up top is also super comfortable. I love wearing these for extended periods of time. They came out with this limited edition colorway, and I just think it looks gorgeous. They have minimal branding. The skull isn't white and big all up in your face like some other brands. It's matte and it's very tasteful. It also comes with a case, a 3.5mm jack, and also a USB charger. On the left there is a bass slider, and it is touch sensitive, which I really like. You slide it up and it gives you a purple indication of how much of the bass is being boosted. On the right side you have the controls with the plus and the minus and the actual shape of them, so you can find them a lot easier when you're like working out or even just commuting or just everyday use. It's just so much better than the 3-button system that is normally put on any other headphone. They've got a nice solid feel to them. The build quality on these Skullcandy, I have to applaud you. You guys really stepped it up with these headphones. The battery life is going to be rated at 29 hours, which is in line with what a lot of companies are doing right now. Sony is around 30. It's actually 9 hours better than Bose at only 20 hours for them. So 29 hours of solid battery life. They also have rapid charge for those of us who always forget to charge their headphones like me. 10 minutes will give you 3 hours. These also have Bluetooth 4.1. So before we talk about the bass, let's get into how the mic sounds. Let me drop a little test for you guys right now. What's up guys, this is BT here. Let me know what you guys think of the microphone down in the comments below. So like I said before at the beginning, guys, these make you want to dig deep into your musical catalog. I was going back and listening to like Tupac, Biggie, Usher, yeah, things with a lot of bass to really bring out the sound signature of these headphones. And sometimes the bass would be overwhelming too much where the song would be too layered, but what I love about these headphones the most is that they keep the integrity of the song and the image of the song. You can get a clear image of the song while getting that bass response that is just, it's so delicious, guys. It's almost like you're riding in a lowrider with subs in the back. These are just wow. For me, it brought back memories of just riding around in high school, blasting my music and having my friend with subs just blast my ears with sub bass, and these do the same exact thing, and I really love that about these headphones. Headphones are an emotional thing. They make you feel, and these make you feel literally, by vibrating your head, and it also brings back that feeling of, nostalgia and like going back and listening to those old songs. And these just aren't a one-trick pony, guys. It doesn't just do bass and rap and EDM really well. It does classical very good as well. You just turn down that bass slider to maybe like 1 or 2 clicks, and like everything just sounds super clear. I mean, I have no complaints about the sound signature here. Highs are nice and rolled off. They are a little recessed, but not so much that you feel like it's clipping or it's taking away from your music. Even classical sounds good on these headphones. While you're listening to rock music, strumming like basses and guitar strings are just resonating and vibrating on your head. You feel like you are in a 360 environment at a concert, just music just enveloping you. And that is the best way to describe these headphones. I am just so mind blown. I took these to a party recently and was showing these to people and just letting them hear certain songs with them, and everybody was blown away by them. They were asking me like, how much do these cost? Where can I get them? I want to buy them. These things are just an amazing set of cans, guys, and you really have to listen and hear them to believe what I'm saying. I mean, I sound super hyped up, I sound super excited, but guys, when do I ever sound like this? When do I ever just say, guys, these are a must-have because they are just so different? If I could add anything to these headphones, it would be noise cancellation, but sometimes noise cancellation does get in the way of your musical experience, and these actually do a great job of just forming around your ear with that nice memory foam and blocking and isolating out a ton of sound, so it's not really a problem. And with that bass, I mean, nothing's getting through, come on. And that's just me being nitpicky, but we'll see. Maybe in the 362s they'll come out with that. But until then, these are an amazing set of cans, and I can recommend them to you guys wholeheartedly, without a doubt. When you put them on, when you listen to them, when you show your friends and family, they will be blown away, I guaranteed. These are gonna be an amazing set of cans for this holiday season if you want to give them out. Yeah. Wow, I'm just Skullcandy. Thank you for sending these out. Of course, all these opinions are my own. They've been my own. You guys know that I keep it real with you. I never want you guys to go out and get a pair of headphones and say, BT, these aren't what you said they were. I don't want to be that guy. So you know that I'm giving you the real deal, the lowdown on these headphones. They're an amazing set. So go out and cop them. If you're a bass lover, EDM lover, to classical music, I think these can be a headphone for everyone. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video. It has been your boy BT saying peace. Wait, did I tell you guys to subscribe for more tech videos coming at your face? Yeah. And we'll see you in the next one.